Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to send WhatsApp messages on new form submission. So imagine this, you are using Gravity Forms to generate lead about your potential client. So a lead called as John has been generated from your Gravity Forms. You have John's name, email address and of course the WhatsApp number. So on this WhatsApp number you want to send a thank you message to John. So here you have two choices. The first choice is you can copy all the details of John from Gravity Forms, sort it out, manually create a message and send it on WhatsApp. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I will suggest that you bring in some automation. So here, when a new response is created in Gravity Forms, it will automatically send a message on WhatsApp. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Gravity Forms and WhatsApp. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and here you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where you can try this integration absolutely free. So you just have to clone the workflow which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Gravity Forms to WhatsApp. And then just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Gravity Forms? Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new response? New response is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new response is generated in Gravity Forms, then what action should be taken by the system? At present, there is only one trigger event, that is new response. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new response is generated in Gravity Forms. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are just trying to integrate Gravity Forms to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to our WordPress. So as you can see, this is my WordPress account and Gravity Forms has been installed in my system. Now to begin the actual integration process, first of all, you have to go to plugins and click on add new. Okay, so I am assuming that you have already installed Gravity Forms plugin. Now there is one more plugin that you have to install, that is this Gravity Forms webhook add-ons. Okay, so this is the plugin that you want to install. Now in my case, this plugin is already installed in my system. Okay, so you also have to install this plugin, Gravity Forms webhooks add-on. Okay, so as you can see, this plugin is already installed in my system. Okay, so once you have installed this particular plugin, that is Gravity Forms webhooks add-on, you have to go to this part called as forms. Okay, let's click on forms. Okay, so these are all the forms I have in my Gravity Forms account, and what I'm planning to do here is I want to receive the data from this particular form. So I have created a form called as PHP workshop. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on edit. Okay, so this is the edit page of PHP workshop. So this is the form PHP workshop. So let me take you to this form, PHP workshop registration. Okay, so this is the same form. Okay, so then after that, I'm just going to click on settings. Click on settings. Okay, so just scroll down and here you will find webhooks. Click this. Okay, so as you can see, at present I don't have any kind of webhooks installed yet. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add a new webhook. So just click on add new. Okay, so now I have to give a name to this webhook. So the name I'm going to give it as is something like WhatsApp data. data send or something, because in this workflow we are going to send the data to WhatsApp, so that is why I'm giving a random name, that is WhatsApp data send. Of course you can give any name according to your discretion. Now coming to the request URL, this is the most important part. Basically you want the webhook URL. So to get the webhook URL, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, easy. We have pasted our webhook URL. The request method will remain as post. The request format will remain as JSON. The request header, we don't have to add any header or value. All you have to do is just click on update settings. Okay, so as you can see, this particular form PHP Workshop is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. So basically this means anytime a form is this form is filled, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to my forms. Okay, so here in the pages you will find the forms along with the page. So let me just scroll down. So this is the page, okay, PHP Workshop registration. I'm just going to click on view. So imagine this, a customer is registering for your PHP Workshop. So these are the details of the customer. The name is Aaron, the last name is Manuel. This is the email and this is of course his WhatsApp number. Okay, so this person's WhatsApp number has been entered and the person education is he has completed Java and let's say C++. So he is eligible for my PHP Workshop. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form has been submitted by a guy called as Aaron Manuel. Since Pabbly Connect is integrated with this particular form, let's check whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. So let's have a look. Okay, yes, the data has been captured. So these are the details. So let's scroll down. Okay, so we have the name, that is Aaron. The last name is Manuel. And this is the email, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com. And this is the number, this is his phone number where we'll be sending the WhatsApp messages. And this is the education he has completed. He is an expert in Java and C++. Okay, so basically now we have to send a confirmation message on WhatsApp. So to do that, we will be using a chat API. Now to introduce chat API, let me just create one more window. So this window is called as the action window. So in the Choose app, how about we make it as chat API, because we will be using chat API to send WhatsApp messages. Now in the action event, how about we go with send a message. Send a message is an action event. There are many more action events like forward message, send location, send links, send files, send audio, and so on. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now, just like the triggers, if you have trouble finding the action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to send the message via chat API. Okay, so let me just click on connect with chat API. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the API URL as well as the token. So to get these details, let's have a visit to Chat API. So this is my Chat API account. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this. This is your API URL. I have copied this and then I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so I have entered the API URL. Easy. Now coming to the token. So this is your token. So I have copied my token and I am going to enter my token. Okay, so we have pasted our token. So this is your API URL, this is your token. So let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a message from the data that we have received from Gravity Forms via Pabbly Connect. So let's start with the contact group. So as you can see, we don't have any details regarding the contact group because we are going to send this message to an individual person. So we are going to leave this blank as empty. Now coming to the phone number, we are just going to map in the phone number that we have received from Gravity Forms. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Gravity Forms. So let me just scroll down and find the phone number. So this is the phone number and we have mapped it. Excellent. Now coming to the message I'm typing is very simple. So thank you. Thank you. And then we are just going to map in the name. So the name is Aaron and this is the last name. Okay, so Manuel. Thank you, Aaron Manuel, for registering for registering on our PHP workshop. This is your email. Okay, and let's map in the email. So this is the email, and this is your qualifications. So the qualifications was something like he finished a Java and C++. Okay, so we are going to map in the qualifications. You have been accepted. Okay, so this is the message. Thank you, Aaron Manuel, for registering on our PHP workshop. This is your email, aaronmanuel1991@gmail.com, and this is your qualifications, Java, C++. You have been accepted. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send this data on WhatsApp. So let's have a look. Let's send a message on WhatsApp. Okay, so the API response is showing the message has been sent. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the message. Thank you, Aaron Manuel, for registering on our PHP workshop. This is your email, and this is your qualifications. You have been accepted. Excellent. So the presence of this message on WhatsApp shows that we have successfully integrated Gravity Forms and WhatsApp with help of PabliConnect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not? But before we do that, let me explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize my action window and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Gravity Forms to PabliConnect, and then you have integrated PabliConnect to WhatsApp. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Gravity Forms and WhatsApp. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going back to my pages. Okay, so I am going to click on view. Okay, so this time we are going to enter some other guy details. So this is the name, Tom Cruise. This is the email, and this is the WhatsApp number of Tom Cruise. So this is the phone number, and this is the qualifications of Tom Cruise. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so the form submission has been made by Tom Cruise. So let's have a look whether he has got any WhatsApp message. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp message that Tom Cruise has received. So the presence of this message shows that we have successfully integrated Gravity Forms as well as WhatsApp. So our integration is working absolutely fine.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using PabliConnect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabli.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabli.com. It's awesome. Thanks.